how to make money with quarries. The first two things that come to mind are essentially airdrops, ROX. So the ROX are our token cryptocurrency that we're currently incentivizing people to invite and participate in the community to get. And airdrops is the way that you can kind of experience and get cryptocurrency without having to invest, right? I think that's one of the biggest hurdles for a lot of people is, well, first of all, cryptocurrency, it fluctuates. So even if you want to purchase just a small amount of Ethereum, especially right now, you're afraid that you're going to lose all that money that you put in pretty quickly. So there's that. Then there's where do you buy it? You know, which exchange do you go to? Which wallet do you use? And so that's kind of where Quarry comes in. We are trying very hard to bridge that gap between I'm very interested in crypto and blockchain, but I don't know where to start and I don't know how to keep going. And that's how we created the app.